Good morning, children, to yet another interesting class of mathematics. Now we were studying lesson number 12, multiplication, right? Now today we are going to do the Spellwell words of multiplication. Now what are Spellwell words? Spellwell words are the new words that we see in a lesson. Okay? So let us quickly see all the Spellwell words. Now the first is multiplication. Multiplication. Now how can I remember it? I can remember it by cutting the words. ठीक है, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके याद करते हैं. For example, multiplication. Okay, so I will remember it as multi is M-U-L-T-I, multi, then P-L-I, pli, C-A-K-T-I-O-N, shun, multiplication. Okay, now the next word is addition. A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N, addition. The next word is repeated. R-E-P-E-A-T-E-D, repeated. Okay, now the next word is R-O-W-S, rose. Okay, R-O-W-S, rose. Next is columns. C-O-L-U-M-N-S. Now children, जब हम columns बोलते हैं, so the N word is silent. Okay, इसकी आवाज़ नहीं आती. So we say columns. तो आपको ये याद रखना पड़ेगा. Okay, now the next word is stories. S-T-O-R-I-E-S. When we read one story, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्टोरी. उसकी स्पेलिंग क्या होती है? S-T-O-R-Y. But when there are many stories, ठीक है, एक से ज़्यादा, so we say stories. S-T-O-R-I-E-S. Now the next word is times. T-I-M-E-S. For example, multiplication में we use it. For example, 4 times 3 is 12. Okay? 4 into 3 is equal to 12 को हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं? अगर for example I have 4 into 3. So I can say 4 times 3 is 12. Okay. Now the next word is multiplied. M-U-L-T-I-P-L-I-E-D. Multiplied. Multiplied का मतलब, now for example 4 into 3 को मैं कैसे बोल सकती हूँ? 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So 4 into 3 को बोलने के दो तरीके. Okay, in two ways we can say 4 into 3. One is 4 times 3 is equal to 12, and second is 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. Okay, now next. Now here children, we are going to revise what we had completed in the previous class. Now can you see in the picture? There are bunch of flowers. एक bunch में कितने flowers हैं? In one picture there are 1, 2, 3 flowers, right? So there are 3 flowers. Okay, so I have 3 flowers here. 3 flowers one more time. 3 flowers here and 3 flowers here. Okay, so I am having total 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4, है ना. 4 groups of flower and one group में कितने flowers हैं? I have 3 flowers in one group. Okay, so I have to find how many total flowers are there. So what will I do? I will, yes, add. Total means addition, right? So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. But ये ऐड करना तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया नहीं? इतनी बार 3 को हम ऐड कर रहे हैं. So what can I do? Let me tell you. I can also say this as 4 times 3, है ना. I have the number 3, okay, और 3 कितनी बार आ रहा है? How many times? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 times. So I can write 4 times 3. इसको हम कैसे और लिख सकते हैं? I can also write it as, times का मतलब होता है multiplication. Okay, so remember this. Times का मतलब multiplication. Okay, so 4 times 3 means 4 into 3. That means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 को I can write it as 4 into 3. So I will get the answer 12. Right? So we have seen that 3 को हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया है repeatedly, again and again. So we can say multiplication is repeated addition, है ना. एक ही नंबर को बार 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 ऐड करते हैं. So it is called multiplication. Okay, we had learned this in the previous class also. Now today we will learn something interesting about multiplication. Okay, now let me see. Oh, so we have teddy bears over here, है ना. सबको teddy bears पसंद होते हैं. So let me see how many teddy bears are there in this picture. Okay, so we have, मैंने आपको rows और columns बताए थे. Do you remember? Yes, rows and columns. So how many rows are there here? I have 1 row and 2 rows, है ना. और एक रो में कितने टेडी बेयर्स हैं? How many teddy bears do I have in 1 row? I have 3 teddy bears. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, एक में 3 and second में भी 3. Now again I have some teddy bears. यहाँ पे कितने रोज हैं? Can you tell me? I told you rows are like this. Okay, अपने हाथ ऐसे करो. This is row, this is column, this is row, this is column. Okay, so I will say यहाँ पे कितने रोज हैं? 1. So I have 1 row, 2 row and 3 rows. Okay, and in 1 row how many? In 1 row how many teddy bears are there? 2 teddy bears. Okay, so I can write this. इसको अगर मुझे लिखना है तो कैसे लिख सकती हूँ? Yes, if I have to add 2 rows हैं, 3 है एक में, so I can write it as 3 plus 3 लिख सकती हूँ मैं. Yes, then the same I can write in multiplication. कैसे लिखूंगी? 3 plus 3 मिल रहा है यहाँ पे. That means I can say it as 2 times 3. 2 बार आ रहा है ना 3. 1 times 3, 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 means 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. यहाँ पे how can I write? I can write is 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? 2 कितनी बार आ रहा है? 2 इज द नंबर जो बार बार आ रहा है, राइट? अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन. So I can write 1 times 2, 2 times 2 and 3 times 2. So I can write it as 3 into 2 is equal to 6. आपने कुछ नोटिस किया यहाँ पे? Did you notice something? What? Yes, both the answers are same. That means 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. चाहे 2 पहले आए या 3 पहले आए, द आंसर इज द सेम, राइट? नाउ ये आपको समझ में आया? सो इट डज नॉट मैटर हु कम्स फर्स्ट, पहले चाहे 2 आए, पहले चाहे 3 आए, द आंसर विल बी द सेम. इन व्हाट? इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, नाउ आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. 4 into 5 is equal to dash into 4. Now जहाँ पे question mark है, what is the answer? Can you think? सोचिए. 4 into 5 is 20. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ सकता है? Yes, if you have guessed it. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 5 into 4. Okay? So 4 into 5 is equal to 5 into 4. दोनों के आंसर क्या आ जाएंगे? What will be the answer? 20. Now I have a question for you. 6 into dash is equal to 3 into 6. What will be the answer? You will tell me on WhatsApp. Okay? Also you can write the answer in the comment section. Okay? So till then, bye bye. Take care of yourselves and have a nice day.